Hi everyone and welcome back to another Meals of the Week video. We started the week with some burritos, so I made a beef chili just using some lean beef mince and some veggies, passata and some seasonings, and then we served it with some long grain rice, some tortilla wraps and some grated cheese, and I just pop it all on the table and let everybody help themselves. The next day we had some chicken pesto pasta, so I cooked some whole wheat fusilli, fried up some chicken breast with some pepper and onion, and then just mixed in the fusilli and the pesto and topped with grated cheese. The next day I made some homemade chicken schnitzels, so I just rolled the chicken in some egg and breadcrumbs and pan fried until golden, and then just popped those in the oven on some greaseproof paper until they were cooked. And the boys had theirs a bit earlier than us, so I did them some carrot and cucumber and some homemade chips. And then when we had ours, we had the same, except we had a mixed salad. The next day I made a chicken pie. This is actually a HelloFresh recipe called Prince Harry's chicken pie, and it's topped with potatoes. So I just fried some chicken with some onion and carrots and some chicken stock, and then mixed in some creme fraiche and some black pepper and just simmered until thick, and then just topped that with some parboiled new potatoes and just popped it in the oven with some breadcrumbs and served with tender stem broccoli. The next day, Yanis and I were having some steak, so I did it with some fondant potatoes. So I just fried the potatoes in some butter and then popped in the oven in a dish of chicken stock and just allow those to cook in the oven so they soak up all the stock. They take quite a while, about 50 minutes until they are cooked through. And then I just pan fried my steak and we had it with some veg and I did some gravy as well. And the boys had theirs a bit earlier, so I did them some chipolatas, roasted new potatoes and some veg. The next day was Sunday, so as always we had our usual Sunday roast, and I did an extra large chicken and saved some for Yanis's soup. So we just had that with our usual broccoli and carrots, roast potatoes and Yorkshire puddings, and did actually make a cauliflower cheese as well this week. So I just parboiled my cauliflower and made up a white sauce and then just topped with some cheese, and I baked that in the air fryer and it was really tasty. The last day of the week we had a chicken curry, so I fried some chicken breast and I used one of the Spice Tailor curry sauces, which has got no nasties in it. It's literally just a little bit of oil and the herbs and spices, and you just fry your chicken with that and a little bit of tomato puree. Add some water, and then I put in 3 good sized spoonfuls of Greek yogurt, and we served it with some poppadoms and some basmati rice. And Archie was actually away on his residential this day, so I saved an extra portion for Yanis to take for lunch. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video and it's giving you some healthy meal ideas for your family. If you have, don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you really soon. Bye.